What's up, guys? It's
Hey,
me
what's up,
here.
you guys?
It's me here, Samantha, with Alex, and today we are doing tree trimming on a kibbutz in Israel. So that'll be fun. I'll be vlogging today. Here's the view.
Oh my god, welcome back to my channel.
Here's
I'm
Rachel.
so glad I'm getting this free clout. And my Instagram, Rachel B. Baker. Samantha, how are you feeling about today's work?
I'm really excited for today's work. I had my morning coffee. The Turkish coffee was really good.
She's ready to go.
I'm ready to go. Like, look at that view.
Did everyone take a slipper? No.
I love saying Ken.
And we're gonna walk there.
I'm like, I remember that guy. I have to say that I'm so excited to pick mangoes, to do some work on this kibbutz, to get into it and get rowdy.
Hey, Maya. Hey, Maya.
Hey Samantha, how's it going?
How's cutting trees?
Oh, really good actually.
Ah, you're doing such a good job.
Thank you.
Hey Samantha, how's it going?
Hey, Jacob. It's going good. How's your tree trimming?
I accidentally cut too much off the tree,
Oh my goodness, no.
but I'm really trying my best.
All right. There we go. Hello. Hey, Aki. See ya, Aki. Minna! Hey, how's the trimming? How's it going?
Great. I feel like I'm giving haircuts. You know, imagine we're trying to create a body, right? We're trying to create like some volume in the tree. And we're trying to cut off all the loose ends like this, chuck them on the ground. But we're also not trying to kill avocados. And doing well.
Amazing, amazing. You're amazing, Minna. Hey, Shira.
Hi Samantha, what's up? I'm cutting the avocado tree.
Oh, how's it going?
More fruit. It's actually really nice.
Yeah?
It can be a bit boring, but if you sing really good songs, so it goes really well. I recommend.
Beautiful, beautiful.
No, you're beautiful, Samantha.
Hey, Daniel. How's the trimming going?
Oh, not too bad. Ben just cut an avocado in half, which is not
Oh,
great.
hey, Ben. Oh, good job, Ben. Cheers, Ben.
She's been...
Cheers, Ben. Cheers, Ben. Jeez.
So now we're not going to get monetized or
Yeah.
Yeah, someone get a photo of this, I beg. Alright, move before.
Wait, this is really cute. Go, keep going.
Is nice?
Daniel,
Wrong side of the
smile. That's so schnart.
Hey, Carol.
Hey,
How's the tree trimming going?
Well, it's going horrible for the trees.
Oh, what?
Yeah, because you know they're cutting them. So
But it's good for them.
it's good for them in the long run, but you know right now to be cut. It sucks, you know.
Hey, Lily. How's it going?
Good. Just trimming some avocado trees.
Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful.
Wait, I want to keep him.
Kind of like, it's like a little...
He's our
Can we keep it?
pet, our Kaveret pet.
Our Kaveret pep is mine.
It's so tiny.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have me eating an apple. Kulampo. Aki.
Bye. Is it a vlog?
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Samantha's vlog. We're in the last half an hour.
How's it going?
We slayed.
Yeah.
How I feel.
Amazing.
Yeah. I'm gonna sit with you.
Yeah.
What's the time?
Who's tall and why should I call it?
Right now,
On this one as well.
I can't tell. Aki.
Bye. Is it a vlog? You know what that means? There's a new row.
Whoa.
There's after that row.
Another row. Whoa.
Ravid.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Day 3.
Amazing.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
We speedy and
Okay.
I'm just saying
This is intuitive.
aesthetic town, twins, a Lola.
Wait, never.
Forever.
Wait, are we gonna
tomorrow.
turn your phone on? I was gonna say we're gonna finish.
Twins, no.
What them do?
Can.
It is actually so hot right now. It's like 39 degrees. I'm dying. So we have like half an hour left. So I'm just like to get it done, you know. It's so hard. Like we did so much as well. But it'll feel good at the end, I know it, but I'm really hot right now. Lex, what do you have to say about the heat?
It's like 40 degrees and I'm done.
You hear that? She's done. I'm done. You're done.
You're done.
You're done. No, it's I'm dying inside. I'm sweating. Okay, I just finished and my water is literally boiling. Like it's boiling water. Literally. How is this possible? It's so hot. Like, it's like drinking shower water, honestly, at this point. What's the time? It's like midday. And
Okay, Samantha, help me.
there they go without me. Very upset about that. It's the end of the day and we're walking up this massive hill back to our house. It's absolutely horrible, but you know what? We're pushing through it. Right, Sarah?
You're about to get run over.
But we're pushing through it because you're always more capable of doing things than you think. So don't be afraid to push yourself. You can do anything if you put your mind to it. Hey Ash.
Hi,
How
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm really excellent on the
Yeah. No wonder. Why didn't you come to work today? Why didn't you show up to AVO?
I think that's quite frankly none of your business.
Oh, really?
I'm suffering from some physical disorders.
Oh, really?
currently, so-
Like what?
So like to be a liar.
I'm not a fucking liar.
You're a
Check
fucking
my
liar.
medical records. This doesn't involve you. Go away.
I want to get my phone. You're in my way.
I'm not in your fucking way. Walk around. Walk around us, seriously.
The cameraman's actually walking with me.
This is good
And
for the
you're-
blooper. So I didn't come to work because
Because I'm a
I always think if you're gonna go and work multiple days, always choose one day where you're not gonna go. And today was that day. Alright?
Right. Okay.
Right.
Why did you go to work, Alex?
Because I'm not Ash.
Yeah.
Thanks guys, like and subscribe, follow me. I address the allegations every Monday.
we're going back to fetch Alex's phone because she left it in the back of the van. But here's the thing, the gate is closed, so I don't know how we're going to get through. Last time
we were on Ravid,
yeah,
we had to climb under the gate because we escaped.
we escaped the
We
work.
might have to do it again, but this time they put up sticks.
Go through the gate. I'm gonna try. Oh wait, there's someone there. Maybe they can help us on. Kind man helped us. Apparently, you just had to push the gate to the side, and we didn't even try that. I was fully about to go under the gate. Okay, so in the end, Alex did get her phone, and yeah, today was a pretty good day, pretty eventful. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching my vlog. Make sure to check out my new videos when they come out. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.